Good evening. No? This is actually MSTE, previous board question for engineering mathematics. Okay, so let's start. A spherical tank of radius 4 meter is filled with water to a height of 1.2 meters. The water is transferred to a second tank in the form of frustum of a cone of lower base radius 1 meter and upper base radius of 0.5 meter and the height of 10 meters. What will be the height of water in the second tank? Okay, so what will be the height of the water in the second tank? So, ito yung mga choices, no? 6.86, 7.88, 2.12, and 9.72. So, again, no, in analyzing problem, so we have to understand sentence to sentence, no? Unahin natin muna ang given na first sentence or instruction. Sabi dito class, no, a spherical tank of radius 4 meters is filled with water to a height of 1.2 meters. Ano ba yung spherical tank? Kasi sabi dito class, a spherical tank. So dapat alam natin kung ano ang shape ng spherical tank. Ang spherical tank class, yan na yung bola that is actually spherical in shape, no? Hindi yung circle, no? Ang circle is not spherical. Okay? Pang plane surface yung circle, no? Ang spherical class, ang example ng shape ng spherical is yung bola that is actually spherical. Right? So, sabi dito, a spherical tank of radius 4 meter. Gumawa tayo ng spherical tank. So, assuming spherical ito, no? Yan. Okay? So, meron siyang radius na 4 meter. Hindi ito circle class, this is not a circle. Okay, assuming this one is spherical tank. Ito. Okay, parang bola yan siya, no? Bola. O radius 4 meter. So, paano man? Lagyan natin ng radius. Oh, sorry. Meron yung radius na 4 meters. Filled with water to a height of 1.2 meter. Lagyan ko ng yellow dito. Meron siyang filled with water. Banda dito, no? To a height of 1.2 meters. Ayan ang ibig sabihin ng first sentence. Sabi dito, a spherical tank, ito siya, no? Of radius 4 meter, ito ang kanyang radius. Ano yung height niya? Of course 8, no? Kasi papunta dito 4, additional 4. Yung height ng spherical tank natin is 8 meters. Filled with water to a height of 1.2 meters. So hanggang dito lang plus ang water natin, no? Hanggang dito lang, which is 1.2 meters yung height ng water natin. Okay? So, next sentence is, the water is transferred to a second tank. Ibig sabihin, yung tubig dito, matransfer siya pa hambog tank. No? In the form of frustum of a cone lower base, radius 1 meter, upper base 0.5, and the height of 10 meters. So, very dagbos yung frustum. So, ganito class, no? Ang frustum natin. So, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Swimming, no? Yan ang frustum cone natin. Ang lower base radius, may given sa dito class. Ang radius daw sa baba, dito, is, of course, 1 meter. And then dito sa taas is how much? 0.5, no? Meter, and the height of the frustum tank is how much? How much is the height of the tank? That is 10 meters. Right? So, ulitin ko, no? Ang first sentence, sabi dito, a spherical tank, this one, with a radius 4, meaning the height of the tank is 8, no? So 4 plus 4 is 8. Is filled with water to a height of 1.2. So, nandito yung tubig natin, no? With the height of 1.2 meters. So, the water is transferred from this spherical tank to the frustum, no? Transfer niya transfer natin yung tubig dito, papunta dito sa frustum. No? With frustum of a cone lower base, so ang lower base radius niya is 1 meter given, and the upper base is 0.5, and the height is 10 meters. So, ang tanong niya, what will be the height of the water in the second tank? So, ano ang height ng water in the second tank? Sa first tank class, ang height ng water natin is 1.2. Sa second tank, yun ang tanong niya. Ano yung height ng water? Okay? Naintindihan? Okay. So, ang matransfer, ano ba yung matransfer natin papunta dito? From this tank, papunta dito sa frustum tank natin. From spherical to frustum. Ano ang i-transfer natin? Ang volume ng water. So, yan ang i-transfer natin, volume ng water. Kung ang volume ng water dito is, kung ang volume, for example ng class, kung ang volume ng water dito is 5, transfer natin dito, the volume is also still 5. Diba? Kung 10 dito, ang volume niya ng water, transfer natin sa kabila, the same pa rin na 10. Can you follow? So, volume of the water ang ito-transfer natin, no? From spherical tank to the frustum. Now, ano ang volume ng water dito? Ano ang volume ng water? So, ito lang siya, no? Portion of this portion nito na height, merong height of the water is 1.2. So, what is the volume of the water? So, how will you do that? So, dito muna tayo sa spherical tank. Dito muna tayo sa spherical tank. Ano yung volume ng water? Kasi kailangan natin kunin yung volume ng water para ma-transfer natin dito sa frustum. Right? So, ano ba yung volume, class? How will you define volume? Actually, volume is equals to area of the base times height. Times height. Yan ang definition ng volume. Area of the base times height. Right? Now, dito class, kasi nga, no, paiba-iba, hindi constant ang shape niya. Like this one, no, ito to, this portion. Ano kaya ang area dito, no? And then, ang height niya. Ang technique dito class, but at least alam natin ang formula ng volume. Basically, volume is equals to area of the base times the height. Yan. Pero dito class, no, ang volume dito, para madali, we will use differential volume. Differential, para di na tayo mag-memorize ng formula ng volume. Volume ng spherical tank. Okay lang kung spherical tank, no? Madali lang, no? Pag volume ng spherical tank, ay kaso volume ng water hanggang dito lang. Ano ang volume ng water dito? Okay, so we will use differential volume. To solve the volume of the water, we will use differential volume. Right? So, ano ba ang differential volume? So, assuming, ganito, okay, draw ako ulit ng spherical tank. Nandito yung water natin. Diba? Ang differential volume class, magkakat tayo ng strip dito. Yan. Actually, manipis yan, no? Kung gaano kanipis, manipis na manipis daw. Yan. So, i-isolate ko yung cutting. Yan. Palagbuhan ko siya class, diba? Yan. So, differential volume, no? This is actually dx, and of course, ano dito? Yan ang sa side view. No, side views. So, kung top view, of course, pag top view, actually, di ba tinan natin, ito, this one. Yan. Magkakat tayo ng strip dito. So, ito na siya. So, we denote this one as dx. Ito class, kung paano ang proseso sa finding differential volume. Okay? So, pag side view, ito ang makikita natin. Pag top view, of course, kasi spherical nga yan, no, ganito siya. Diba? So, merong dito, ano yan, radius. How much is the radius? O, paiba-iba din yung radius. At this point, Sa point nandito class, of course, walang area, no? 0. Sa cutting dito, yan, pag ganun siya, diba? Sa top, sorry. Sa top view, yan. Then, pag ganun siya. Hanggang dito, pag ganun siya. Di ba, no? Okay, sa top view. Okay, so, we will use, supposedly, volume, naka-define area of the base times the height. So since we are using differential volume dV, that is equals to area of the base times the height. Ano ba yung height natin, class, dito? Ano ang height natin dito? That is dx, right? That is dx. And then what is the area of the base? So we will use area of the base. Dapat alam mo, no? Alam natin yung formula dito, no? Kasi since circle ito, class, circle yan, so it follows the quadratic formula a plus bx plus bx plus cx square, right? So next is we just use Caltech, no? We have to find the value of A, B, and C using stat mode. Using stat mode sa calculator. Using stat mode. Yan. Right? So, paano ba? Ganito, Okay. Yan. 1, 2, 3. So, this is your radius, and of course, this is your radius ba? Ano no height? Okay, no. This is the height. And this is area. Okay, at height 0, this one, at the height 0, ano yung area natin dito, class? 0, diba? 0 yan. Okay, 0. And then at height, okay, dito sa gitna, di ba? Ano ang height dito, class, papunta dito? Di ba? That is equals to 4. Okay, 4. Yan. Then ano yung kanyang area? Di ba circle yan? Circle yan, no? Ano? Pag sa top view, this one is actually 4. Sa top view ito, class, sa top view. So the area of this one is pi r square, or 16 pi r square, no, that is 16 pi. This will be 16 pi. And then sa point na nandito, the class, how much is the height? 8, no? And then the area is 0. Height is 8, the area is 0. So using stat mode, we can solve for the value of A, B, and C. That is quadratic formula. So quadratic equation. Okay, so we'll use calculator. 0, 4, 8. Okay, 0, 16, 5. Okay, so shift. Mode. Then stat natin 3. Alright, then quadratic, that is 3 also. Then you have to enter 0. Ano pa? Yung height, 4. And then 8. Right? And then sa kabila, yung area, no? Ano ba yung area sa height 0? Of course, 0. Yan. Ang height sa 4, di ba 16 pi? Which is 4 square pi. With 4 square is 16. So 16 pi equals, and then at height 8, the area is also 0. Right? Then all clear. Then shift, then stat 1, and then regression, then A muna tayo. Your A is 0. Our A is 0. Ano ang B natin? Our B, all clear, shape, regression 5, then B. 25.13. Our B is 25.13. Ano ang C natin? All clear, and regression 5, and then C 3, negative 3.14. Okay. Our C is negative 3.14. So meron na tayong value ng A, B, and C. So ano ba yung quadratic equation natin? Ano ba yung equation ng area? This is actually equation ng area, no? Area of the base is equals to A plus BX plus CX square. So area of the base is equals to, what is our A? Our A is 0, and then our B is 25.13. So that is 25.13x, the follow, plus C, or minus, no? Minus 3.14x square. So yan ang area ng base natin, no? 25.13x minus 3.14x squared. The next thing to do is we have to substitute, no? Sa differential volume, volume is equals to the integral of, di ba ganito siya, no? Differential volume is equals to area of the base, no? Times yung kanina height niya is dx, diba? And then integrate both sides. So your volume is equals to the integral of AB dx, then from x1 to x2, right? Then volume of the water, actually, no, integral of what is our area of the base. Area ng base natin, class, is 25.13, diba? 25.13x minus 3.14x square times dx from yung height ng water natin from summation. Actually, yung integral class is summation, from 0 to 1.2. Okay? Ano yun? From 0 to 1.2. So what is the volume of the water? We have to use calculator. Okay, be sure yan. So integral of, ano yun? 25.13 alpha x, tama na, minus 3.14 alpha x square, then close. Then ang limit niya from 0 to 1.2 equals 16.28. So the volume of water is 16.28. So ito, class, ang transfer natin. Ito ang ito-transfer natin from spherical tank to the frustum. Diba? 16.28. No? Yan ang ito-transfer natin volume. Kung mangyari, ang volume pala dito is, diba? Ang volume pala dito, class, is 16.28. So ito-transfer natin papunta dito sa frustum. Okay? So ano ba yung tanong? What will be the height? So of course. And ito tayo ulit ng frustum. And diba? Na-transfer dito na yung ang water na transfer dito. Okay, so yan. Ito na yung water natin. So nagtatanong siya kung ano yung height ng water. And na-follow. Kung ano yung height ng water. So ano ba yung volume dito, class? Of course, the same pa rin, no? That is 16.28. So again, we will use differential volume which is, di ba? Diretso ko na lang integral of area of the base times dx. Yan. Okay? Kasi pag ikakat natin ito class, pareho lang, no? Pareho lang, kakat mo yan sa portion na nandito. So, ito siya, side view, this is your dx, and then sa top view, of course, circle yan, di ba? Okay, so mayroong certain yan na radius. So, ano ang area dito, class? Di ba? So, area dito, huwag na natin gamitin ang, imagine natin, no, dito, ang ginamit natin is quadratic equation, no, for the area of the base. So dito we will use yung radius. We will try using radius. Ang area dito, class, actually area of the base, no, which is equals to pi, di ba, r square. So ano yung equation ng, so ganito siya, no, pag nasa side view, pag naka-side view, no, yan. So, paiba-iba ang value ng R. So, the equation of R dito, class, is in linear A plus Bx. In the linear equation yan. Sorry. Okay. A plus Bx. Okay, so, ilan yung unknown dito? Your R is A plus Bx. Dalawa yung unknown. So, dalawa din, no? Dalawa. So, if your height din dito, no? Then, the other one is radius. If your height is 0, what is the radius? Pag 0, di ba? Ang height 0. Our radius given na 1. Diba? And then sa portion dito, dito, diba? Anong height dito? That is 10, given din, no? 10 meters. Ano yung radius dito? Given din, this is 0.5. So what is our A and B? 0 and 10. There. 3, then linear 2, then you have to enter 0 equals 10, and then 1, tapos ano next? Equals, no? Sir, fully book. 0.5. Tulihan siya mga operator na. Then start, and regression, then A. Yan. Bang. Or A is 1. Okay, next is all clear. And shape start. And regression B. Negative 0.05. Negative 0.05. So the equation for the radius R is equals to 1 minus 0.05x. Follow. So ano yung area ng base natin? Diba area ng base natin kanina? Pi R square. So it follows pi and 1 minus 0.05x, of course, square. Right? So the differential volume V, by yung color, no? V is equal, not exactly volume of the water, no? Integral of, di ba? Area of the base times the height, differential height, which is dx. Sorry, which is AB dx na lang, no? Yan. Okay, so volume of the water integral x1, x2, no? x1, x2. Ano ba yung area of the base natin? Di ba? Pi 1 minus 0.05 x, then square, then dx. Okay, so ano ba yung volume ng water? He is asking for the height, no? For the height. He is asking for the height. Ito to. Saan ba? Ito to. He is asking for the height of the water. Pag na-transfer na natin ang volume galing sa spherical tank, which is 16.28, is asking kung ano yung height ng water natin. So, it starts from 0 up to this point. So, ano kaya ang point dito? Okay, naintindihan? Now, dito class sa volume, ilan ba yung volume ng water natin na transfer? That is actually equals to 16.28. Diba? So, parang trial and error ito class. So, ang x1 natin, diba? x1, x2. Our x1 is 0. It's area of the base. 1 minus 0.05 x square dx. Okay. So, we have to parang trial and error. So, ano ba yung choices sa A? Check ko muna. Dapat equals to 16.28 kasi pareho lang ang volume nila, no? Ang volume ng water galing sa spherical is 16.28. Ang volume din na nasa frustum dapat 16.28 din. 0.28 din, di ba? So, trial and error. So ano ba yung ano? 6.86. We will try 6.86. Okay. 1 integral. Ano yun? Shape pi, no? Shape pi, then 1 minus 0.05 alpha x square, then close, right? Of course, from tama na ba? Mali. Ito ang may square. Okay? Ayan na, sir. From 0, we will try 6 point, ano yun? 6.86. 6.86. Oh, 15. So, dapat 16, no? 15. So, dapat ang answer natin 16.28. We will try another one. Replay. Okay, so delete natin ang mali ang 6.86. We will try letter B choices. 7.88. 7.88. Kung pareho na ba sila, 16.28 equals, that is 16.28, no? So, meaning, saan na yun? Of course, saan na yun? Ito. Meaning class, ang height ng water natin is equals to 7.88. So, pag 7.88, the volume of the water is 16.88. Pareho na sila. Okay, so our answer must be, the height of the water must be the height of water in the frustum is 7.88. Okay? Yeah? Okay, thank you for watching.